So next question we are having, this question is from computer organization and architecture for marks 2, asked in GATE 2020. Question is given that a direct mapped cache memory of 1 MB has a block size of 256 byte. The cache has an access time of 3 nanosecond and a hit rate of 94 second. During a cache miss, it takes 20 seconds to bring the first word of the block from the main memory, while each subsequent word take 5 nanosecond. The word size is 64 bits. The average access time in nanosecond. Okay. So first, let me see what are the data being provided. Here, the cache size is provided. Cache size is 1 MB, but I don't think this is required in our questions. But still, we can think. Now, block size. What is block size here? Block size is 256 byte. Cache access time. Cache access time is given, that is 3 nanosecond. Hit rate is 94%. So miss would be 6%, or we can write in decimal 0.94 or 0.06. Now let us calculate. These are the data being provided in the questions. Okay, so let us calculate the miss penalty. So for first word, transfer time 20 nanosecond is given here, and each subsequent words, how much it is taking? Each subsequent word it is taking, subsequent word it is taking 5 nanosecond. We have also given that is word size 64 bits, means 8 byte. These are the things already given in the questions. So in this question, the first thing we will do, that is calculate the number of words. Number of words, how much it is? So block size divided by word size. Our block size is 256 byte divided by 8. So total there are 32 words. So in case of miss, total memory transfer time, we can say that first word is taking 20 nanosecond, remaining 31 words will take 5 into 31. 5 here it is given 5 nanoseconds. So total 32 words in each block we are transferring. So the total miss penalty becoming 20 plus 155. So it is becoming 175 nanosecond. So we got 3 nanosecond, that is the cache access time, and in the case of it if missing, then we are getting this amount of penalty. So our average memory access time will becoming this is becoming 3 cache access time. So 94% times we are finding the hit cases. Next, if there is miss. So if there is miss, the first it is accessing the memory, cache memory. so it is not finding. And then after this much penalty is again for doing entire process and bringing into the memory this much, which is happening in the cases of 0.06%. So total it is becoming 13.5 nanosecond. So thank you.